Let's just jump right into it. Welcome to this explainer where we're tackling, honestly, the ultimate cosmic mystery. Does our universe actually go on forever, or is there a definitive end to it all? It's one of those topics that just completely breaks the human brain, but in the best possible way. We know the universe kicked off about 14 billion years ago and has been expanding ever since, right? But what does that actually mean for the shape and the sheer scale of everything around us? So grab your mental spacesuits because we're going for a ride.
So let's start with a really brain-breaking question. If the universe is expanding, shouldn't there be some kind of cosmic wall where everything just stops? Like, think about blowing up a balloon. It expands, sure, but it has that outer rubber layer. So it's totally natural to ask if the cosmos has a border where space simply ends and, well, absolute nothingness begins. And as it turns out, there kinda is an edge, but absolutely not in the way you might think.
Here's the deal. Because light has a strict universal speed limit, and the universe itself is roughly 14 billion years old, we can only see the parts of the cosmos whose light has actually had enough time to reach us. Now you'd naturally think, okay, so the edge is 14 billion light years away. But remember, the universe has been constantly expanding that whole time. So the absolute most faraway things we can see, they're actually about 45 billion light years away right now. That means our personal observable bubble has a radius of 45 billion light years, and that traps around 200 billion galaxies inside it.
But here is the absolutely crucial point. This boundary, it isn't a physical wall where space just runs out. Not at all. Instead, it's literally an edge in time. When we look that far outwards in any direction, we are looking so incredibly deeply into the past that there is simply no past left to see. The universe definitely keeps going past that point for sure, but the light from anything beyond that invisible line just hasn't had enough time to hit our telescopes yet.
And that brings us to a massive cosmic crossroads. Beyond that observable edge, the real universe is definitely bigger, but how much bigger? We're basically looking at two mind-bending options for the true scale of the cosmos. Either the universe is unimaginably huge but ultimately finite, or it is truly, absolutely infinite. And honestly, both possibilities have some wildly fascinating implications. Okay, let's dive into option one first, a finite universe. This essentially means that theoretically speaking, you could fill the entire cosmos with ice cream. I mean, you'd need a ridiculous, astronomically huge amount of ice cream, obviously. But the point is, it would be a measurable finite volume. It has a set amount of space.
But wait, that immediately creates a paradox, doesn't it? If the universe is finite, shouldn't there be an edge, like a physical cosmic wall? And if there is a wall, what the heck sits outside that edge, if the universe is, by its very definition, literally all there is? Like, does the phrase outside of everything even make any logical sense?
To solve this